Hey TikTok enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic for you. We're going to show you how to schedule TikTok posts. Yes, you heard it right. So if you've ever wanted to plan your content in advance, stick around. First things first, open your web browser and go to the website tiktok.com because this is not available in the TikTok app. Make sure you're logged into your TikTok account. Now, navigate to the upload button. You can find this on the upper right on the page. Here's where the magic happens. Upload the video you want to schedule. Add your captions, hashtags, and choose the cover image. Once your video is ready, look for Schedule Video. Click on the Schedule Video button. This is where you can schedule your TikTok post. Pick the date and time you want your video to go live. Once you've set everything up, hit the Schedule button. And there you have it, folks. Scheduling TikTok posts from your website is a game changer, giving you more control over your content calendar. If you find this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.